Let's go ahead and nail this take. Three, two, one. Good morning, Raleigh. Meteorologist Cothran Harris here. Currently 57 degrees with cloudy conditions outside of Jordan Hall right now. Not the prettiest morning in the world, however. We can't really complain after yesterday morning when it was in the 30s when we woke up. So looking at the radar right now, so some reds and yellows exiting eastern North Carolina. These show storms exiting the region. However, like I said, they're exiting. This little circle right here shows the belt line for Raleigh, and like I said, all the precipitation is moving away. We will be clearing out for a very pretty day as the day goes on. Looking at satellite, a very cool thing I thought I'd show you. This little black outline here is actually the shadow caused by these high thunderstorms right here. So these clouds are so high that you can actually see the shadow cast by them right behind it. Looking at the clouds over Raleigh right now, there's no such shadow, which shows they are much shallower in the atmosphere, which shows that it'll be much easier to burn them away with the sunlight as it gets stronger in the day. And if that doesn't work out, look, putting the map in motion, we have clearing skies in the western part of the state, and those should be entering the region as the day goes on. So if we're looking at today's outlook, 60 degrees by 9 a.m. I expect it to clear out by 9 a.m. However, look at by your noon hour, warming up to 67 degrees, and by 3 p.m., 69 degrees. A very pretty day in store. Officially for today, I'm expecting the high to be 71 degrees. Like I said, clearing conditions, very nice, as Borat says. Didn't sound like Borat, but I assure you, I was trying to channel my inner Borat there. For tonight's low, 43 degrees with chilly and windy conditions, and it's going to be getting colder over the next couple of days, and these windy conditions that we'll see over the next couple of days will usher in this cold weather. It's not very often that we see such cold weather, like 54 degrees on April the 8th. Can you believe that? We're going to see a high of 54 degrees. That is unreal for this time of year. Cold and windy. If you have long hair, I definitely suggest a low maintenance hairstyle like a bun. I'm not too keen on what low maintenance hairstyles are for people with long hair, but you know, do what you need to do to protect yourself against the wind. So why has it been so cold recently? We're seeing it was cold a few days ago, and we're going to see another bout of cold weather. Well, it's pretty much because Greenland is going to get gut punched. If you have ever received a punch to the gut or any sort of intrusion into your torso area, the air gets knocked out of you, and it's very uncomfortable. That's exactly what's happening to Greenland right now. Greenland is pretty much going to experience a punch of warm air to Greenland, and that will pretty much knock the air out of it. What kind of air does Greenland have? Cold air. So it's going to knock the cold air out of Greenland and pretty much spread it out across the region, putting it into the United States. A quick little tidbit for all the weather nerds out there. This is called a negative North Atlantic oscillation pattern, and this is usually what we see when we see snowstorms in the winter months. Now, obviously, we're not talking snow right now. This is April. However, this is the pattern that we'd see snow with during the winter months. So for your weekend lows, like I said, it's going to be very cold. 43 degrees for your low on Thursday, 39 degrees for your low on Friday, and 28 degrees for your Saturday. That's insane. If you're going out on Saturday, definitely bundle up. And if you have a burgeoning garden or anything like that, cover it up, or else it will receive some frost damage, because there is a surefire chance there will be a frost this coming Saturday night. So for your 5-day forecast, Thursday is really the prettiest day of this week, so savor it, because Friday into Sunday, much cooler temperatures with that low of 28 degrees on Saturday night. However, a warming trend will start to commence on Monday with temperatures rebounding back to 70.